It can be hard figuring out if a guy likes you or not. Are you facing the same problem? If so, there is no need to worry. Here are all the 5 signs that will tell you if a guy secretly likes you, starting right now. 1. He stares at you. As the saying goes, eyes are the windows to our souls. If he likes you, he surely won't stop looking at you. The guy may try his level best to act naturally, but his eyes will show his true emotions. Even if you are in a room filled with girls, he will only keep looking at you. For him, you are the last of the women species that exist. 2. He smiles around you. Even if he is having the worst day of his life, still he will smile at you. If you just pass by or your eyes meet, he will smile. If you are lucky, you will notice another thing. When he smiles, you would feel his whole face is smiling rather than just his mouth or teeth. If this is the case, he likes you more than you can imagine. He likes you but doesn't have the courage to confess. Hence, his smile is giving you the message instead. 3. All the things you say are funny. Do you think he laughs around your jokes even when they are not funny? For you, maybe yes, but he doesn't think this way. For him, every joke you say is funny. Don't get the wrong idea here. He is around you because he finds it fun. His laughter is a way to gain your attention. Doesn't the person laughing in a room stand out? That is the exact same thing he is trying to do. These signs show that he madly likes you. You will also find him trying to make jokes to make you laugh. By doing so, he is trying to see your reaction to his jokes. Laugh a little at his jokes maybe. It will make him happy. 4. He touches you accidentally. As Master Ogwe said, there are no accidents. When we like someone, it is natural to be physically attracted to them. If such is the case, he will try his utmost to touch you in the name of accidents. There is another you will notice. If you are talking to him, he will try to wipe your face as if something is there or move your hair. The man who likes you has developed an uncontrollable urge to touch. Remember, if he likes you, it gives him no right to touch you. If you think he is crossing the boundary anywhere, stop him and inform him about it right there. 5. He shows jealousy. Aren't we all possessive about the things we love? It is the same case with guys. If you are wondering if a guy likes you, pay attention to any sign of jealousy shown by him. Right now, we are talking about a guy who is not your boyfriend. You have also not shown any intent to become his girl. This doesn't change anything for the poor soul. He will feel emotional pain as if you were in a relationship if he sees you with another guy. While all of this is true, you will never see him showing his jealousy publicly. He knows any public show will make you think he is a psycho and turn you away. Due to this, he will never show his jealousy directly. Let me explain this to you with an example. Suppose you are telling him a story about you and another guy. You will see his behavior change instantly. If you like this kind of video, please give us a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel will be admiring. We have something you might want to check out in the description below. Thanks for watching.